Hi, I'm Alexis Johnson of AFJ Law Group PLLC. We are a full-service law firm based in Rochester, Michigan, specializing in business and other civil litigation. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can continue to see more YouTube videos like this one. Today I want to talk about my practice and experience and the reason that I created AFJ Law Group. So pretty much from a very young age, I grew up immersed in the world of law. My mom is a solo practitioner, primarily practicing family law, but when I was younger, she had a criminal defense practice area. And so my brother and I would go to court with her almost every day. It was kind of boring sometimes, I won't lie, but it also was really interesting because we got to see all different kinds of cases and we met deputies, attorneys, and judges. I learned from a really young age that the art of practicing law is truly an art. It requires preparation, it requires integrity, and it also requires building a reputation that can be counted on. These values really created the foundation for my law practice, even though I didn't initially start practicing law right after going to undergrad. I didn't go right to law school. I had a career working in marketing and public relations on the public and private sector. And this was a great experience for me because I had a wide variety of clients and I had to learn how to adapt based on each client's needs. My role in county government also allowed me an opportunity to work with the prosecutor's office when we investigated certain matters, and it really showed me how much I loved the law. I've always been very passionate about finding justice for the right party, and I love doing legal research, and I also like advocating on behalf of people. So it was only natural that I found myself at Wayne State University Law School in the heart of Detroit, minutes away from the DIA, where I basically threw myself into everything. I was an associate editor on the Wayne Law Review. I competed on Wayne Law's national mock trial team. I also clerked for the now Chief Justice of the Michigan Supreme Court, Justice Bridget Mary McCormick, and I competed at a closing argument competition at Harvard Law. By the time I graduated law school, there was no question that I wanted to work in litigation. I love trial preparation. I love everything about litigating. I like being in court. I like oral arguments. I like motion practice. So I was really happy to be offered an associate position at a mid-sized firm that I'd been clerking at in Oakland County. At that firm, I worked primarily in insurance defense, representing insurance companies in no-fault litigation. I really enjoyed that because it gave me a big opportunity to learn a lot about the no-fault law. And I used that when I transitioned into a larger firm's business litigation group where I did some commercial insurance defense, but I also expanded my practice areas into commercial litigation, product liability, and employment litigation. I really enjoyed the experience and opportunities that I got working at both firms, but deep down, I always knew that I wanted to create my own firm because it's really important for me to be able to provide personalized, tailored approaches to each client with the value and reputation that a big firm can provide, but with the affordability of it being a smaller firm with less overhead. I don't want any of my clients to feel like they're just a number or another file on my desk. I want them to know that I am just as invested in their concerns as they are. Because I've been on both the plaintiff and the defense side, I know what the other side is thinking. And I also know what to anticipate when we're going down the road in the lengthy process that can be litigation and eventually trial. I also am very familiar with most attorneys in the small knit community that is the legal world in the Metro Detroit area. So I have a strong reputation that shows that when I say something, I mean my word. These are all things that you will get if you hire AFJ Law Group for your legal needs. Please check out our website for more information, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us, afjlawgroup.com. Thank you.